In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect, how to replace a pull cord on a Briggs & Stratton 650 series engine. It's on a walk-behind mower. It's a common engine. You see a lot of them. The pull cord is actually the type that connects up here on the handle assembly, and you actually begin your pull from here. First thing you want to do, the pull cord length should be about 7 feet, so you want to get yourself some pull cord, which we have here. I've measured it out and cut it at 7 feet. The number on the pull cord is a 4.5. It's important to get the correct size, because if you get it too thick, it's not gonna roll up in the pull start assembly correctly, and it might bind up. So the size of this is 4.5. Once you have your pull cord cut, these lines will start to fray. If you don't, you got to melt the end of these lines. So take a lighter or a match or something and kind of heat them up and get them kind of melted, and then push them down with your finger like so. And do both ends. Make it a lot easier to install and keep this rope from unwinding. Like so. Next thing you want to do is attach the pull cord handle to the pull cord. Insert it through the handle and work it out. If you can't get it out, you can use some skinny needle nose pliers to grab onto it and pull it through. And then you want to make a knot on the end of it and tighten it and pull it back in. You got your handle attached. Now we need to remove the shroud from the engine. And on this engine, it's got this decorative piece on it. You need to remove that first, and then move that out of the way. And on this engine, the gas tank is held on by three 5/16 bolts on the top, and then there's one on the side. We need to remove the gas tank on this one to get the shroud off. Now for the bolt on the side. You can just let the gas tank hang. Also, there's one bolt holding this. We need to remove this oil dipstick conduit thing. Get that out of the way. Now we can remove the shroud. It's held on by 4 bolts. They're 3/8 of an inch, so you need a 3/8 socket. It's 2 up front and 2 in the back. And now you can remove the shroud. Okay, this is the starter recoil assembly. There's a little hole right here where the rope goes through, and on the outside here, this is where the rope enters this recoil assembly. You want to turn this counterclockwise to wind it up. You want to wind it about 7 turns, and then after you get it wound up, we can insert the rope. So let's do that. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And once you get it wound up, you can insert the cord through here and then route it through this hole. And to do that, I just need a pair of needle nose pliers. I don't even need needle nose pliers. And then once I got it through the hole, I can take a Phillips screwdriver and block it from turning. I need some small. Hold on. And that'll hold it for me. And I can tie a knot. Just a simple knot like we tied for the handle. And then remove the screwdriver, tighten up the line, and then let it recoil back in. And that's all there is to it. Now we can reassemble the shroud. How to reassemble, just to reattach your shroud. Again, it's held on by 4 bolts, 2 in front, 2 in the back. The Bosch impact driver I use to take the bolts off is great for removing these small bolts, but don't use it to tighten them because it will over tighten. And reassemble the dipstick to the shroud. And reattach the gas tank. 3 bolts on top. And 1 bolt on the side. And then reattach this decorative piece. Now take your pull cord and pull it out. I removed the spark plug from the engine so I could do this with one hand and film it. But anyway, pull it out and reattach it to your handle assembly. that's it. Let's see if we can start this while I'm holding the camera. Anyway, to recap on this type mower, I used a 4.5 pull cord. I used 7 feet, and when I got the shroud off, I wound up the recoil starter mechanism 7 times before I inserted the rope. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's a pretty easy job. So anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.